Hi everyone. Hi रेनू. मैं एकदम बढ़िया बेटा. आप बताइए आप कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू? हाय धीरज. हाय आदित्य. हाय समीक्षा. वेरी गुड सॉरी इवनिंग. हाय अनुराग. हाय रैंडम गर्ल. हेलो कार्तिक. हाय आदित्य. हाय धीरज. हाय अजू. Yes रेनू, you are my new student. Hi उपेंद्र. हेलो मैम. किद्दां? एकदम वधिया आदित्य. Good evening, Upinder. Hello, Karthik. Hi, Ankita. Hi, Amrita. Yes, मेरे प्यारे बच्चे आ गए. Hello, Manu. Hi, everyone. This is your accounts master teacher, MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. And I welcome you all to our channel, Vedantu Commerce. So, in case you guys are new to our channel or you are watching this face for the first time, then please take a moment to hit that red icon, go and subscribe our channel for more such upcoming classes. Last week class क्यों नहीं लगी? Because we were busy in the marathon sessions of class 12th. I am all good, Upender. What about you? Hi, Yogita. Hi, intermediate education. Hi, okay, excited. Hello, Jitendra. Okay, Manu. Hello, Kartika. Hello, Balkaran. Not mentee, lekin I will be asking you few questions at the end of the session. Okay, आदित्य, मैंने भी आप लोगों को बहुत याद किया. Okay, Kartika, you are new. Now अब daily schedule के हिसाब से ही लगेंगी classes. Now you will be having your classes on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 7 p.m. So don't worry, now we will follow the proper schedule. आप कहाँ चले गए थे? अरे हम लोग क्लास 12th की क्लासेस में बिजी थे. अब उनका एग्जाम हो गया है. So now our focus will be totally on you. नीरज, वी वर फेसिंग सम टेक्निकल इश्यूज विद द मेंटी, इसीलिए मेंटी नहीं पॉसिबल हो पा रहा है. हाय अंकिता, यू आर न्यू. ओके, इको की क्लास कब कब होती है और कितने बजे? फॉर दैट यू कैन चेक आवर कम्युनिटी पोस्ट where we are posting the daily schedule. Okay, so as you all know, this is class 11th accountancy session. This is Udaan batch 2.0. And in this class, we are going to continue our chapter Bills of Exchange. So we have already conducted 2 sessions of this chapter. In the first session, we have done the introduction to Bills of Exchange. And the second session, we have done introduction to promissory note and the different types of bill. I hope you all have watched the previous 2 classes. In case you have missed those classes, then don't worry. All the classes are available on our channel, so you can watch them later on also. आपका टर्म 2 का सिलेबस बेटा जनवरी एंड तक हो जाएगा मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. So, what are we going to do today? So, in today's session, we will be calculating and we will be understanding the classification of due date. We will discuss some important terms like date of maturity, due date, tenure of bill. We will understand the meaning of these terms. Then we will understand how to calculate due date in different cases. So this is the learning outcome of today's session. Hi Manas. Hi Nazia. I am all good, Manas. So this session is going to be practical. So are you guys ready for this session? Are we ready, guys? Yes or no? Calculation na hi gayi. Yes, random girl. कल क्लास नहीं है बेटा, क्लास आपकी अब थर्सडे को होगी. इट विल बी ऑन alternate days at 7 PM only. Okay, Amrita. You're welcome, beta. So I can see that all of you are ready. So let's start the session now without any delay. And first, we will be starting with a quiz time. So I have some questions for you, and let's see how many of you are going to guess it correct. So, your first question is, on whom the trade bill is drawn. And I am in Srinagar or Kashmir right now because I am surrounded by snowfall. So काफी ठंड लग रही है यहाँ पहुँच के. So on whom the trade bill is drawn? A. Seller. B. Creditor. C. Debtor. D. Owner. Seller, creditor, debtor, or owner. Those who are answering buyer, drawee, it is not in the options, guys. And well done, Aditya, you are the first one to answer it correct. Well done, Amrita, you are second. Well done, Karthik, you are third. Well done, Neeraj, Balkaran, Manas, Suruchi, you Gupta, Random Girl, Ankita, Navodyan. The answer was debtor, guys. The creditor will draw the bill on the debtor. Drawer will draw the bill on drawee. So drawer is creditor, drawee is debtor. So the bill is drawn upon C, debtor. So, well done to all of those students who have answered it correct. Congratulations, everyone. Coming to the next question. The second question is, the party who is entitled to receive the cash of bill receivable. The party who is entitled to receive the cash of bill receivable is called as drawer, drawee, bank, capitalist. Well done, lovely Sharma. Congratulations, you are the first one to answer it, lovely. Well done, Balkaran, you are second. Congratulations. Well done, Amrita, you are third. Well done. Congratulations, you Gupta, Samiksha, Aditya, Karthik, Jitendra, Manas, Neeraj, Yogita, Lovely, Suruchi, Ankita, Random Girl, Nazia, Navodyan, Anurag, Upender, Adarsh. So, the party who will receive the money is called as drawer. Drawer will receive the money. Now coming on to the today's session. It's time to begin this session now. It's time to understand what is due date. What is the meaning of due date? Why are we talking about the due date in this session? So, let's understand the meaning of due date. Now, we all know that every bills of exchange is drawn for a specific period. Either it will be drawn for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 4 months. So every bill is drawn for a specific time period. And the date on which the bill has to be paid, the amount has to be paid, that date is not known as due date. So what do we mean by due date? It is the date on which the payment is expected. After 2 months, after 1 month, whatever will be the date of payment, that is the due date. जिस भी दिन पेमेंट होनी होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं बेटा? ड्यू डेट. Then there is one more term which is known as tenure. What is the meaning of tenure? So the time period of the bill, that is 2 months, 3 months, 1 month, for which the bill is drawn, जिस भी टाइम के लिए बिल ड्रॉ हुआ है, that is known as tenure. So it is the time period between the date on which the bill is drawn and the date on which bill is payable. So 2 months, 3 months, these are your terms of bill. This is also known as terms of bill, or this is a tenure. Just a second, yeah. So this is the tenure, or it is also known as terms of bill. For whatever time your bill is drawn, that is tenure. And I'm holic, if you will still focus on your term 2 syllabus, if you will do it more seriously, then there will be no problems in reading your syllabus. You will not face any problems if you are doing your term 2 preparation seriously. बालकरण, टेन्योर का मतलब होता है कि आपने कितने टाइम के लिए बिल ड्रॉ किया है, 2 महीने के लिए, 3 महीने के लिए, जो भी टाइम के लिए आपने बिल ड्रॉ किया होता है उसको बोलते हैं टेन्योर. देन कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म, डेज ऑफ ग्रेस. अब ये डेज ऑफ ग्रेस क्या होता है? वी ऑल हैव हर्ड ऑफ ग्रेस मार्किंग. हम सबने ग्रेस मार्क सुना है. What is grace marking? Grace marks, it means extra marks that are given to you. So days of grace are also the extra days. What do we mean by days of grace? They are extra days. Now how many extra days? कितने दिन extra दिए जाएंगे? So 3 extra days. 3 days of grace are given to the drawee to arrange the payment. So in a business community, when the due date is calculated, whenever you will calculate the due date, it is customary, it is compulsory that after maturity of the bill, 3 extra days are given to the drawee for payment of bill. We will give 3 extra days to arrange the payment of bill, and these extra days are called as days of grace. इन्हीं extra days को क्या कहते हैं? Days of grace. Let's take an example. So here we have an example. If the bill is drawn on 1st January, the bill is drawn on 1st January for 1 month. So the 1 month will get completed on 1st of February. Your due date should be 1st of February, but you will add 3 days of grace. In 1st February, you will add 3 extra days. So now your due date will be 4th of February. So due date will be 4th of February. Okay. Now coming on to the next topic, maturity of the bill. Now date of maturity and due date are the same terms. Date of maturity and due date, they both are same. There is no difference among those terms. So maturity of bill means when the bill will be ready for the payment. That is again same as the due date. So here you can see that the date that comes after adding the 3 days to the due date of the bill is known as a date of maturity. When you will add 3 days to the due date. So due date was before the grace days also, and it is after the grace days also. I will tell you. We will come to the types of due date. There are types of due date. We will come to that. So when you are adding 3 days to the due date, and the date 4th February had came, in the 1st February, this was the due date. On 1st January, you have drawn the bill for 1 month. So due date was 1st of February. In 1st of February, you have added 3 days. And now your date of maturity, now your due date is 4th of February. So this is the meaning of maturity of bill. And I have told you we will do the types of due date in few minutes. Just a second. So now this was the meaning of date of maturity. So whenever the bill is ready for the payment, that is known as the due date or date of maturity. Neeraj, bill after sight, bill after date, we have done in the second session, in the previous session. So please go and watch that class for this doubt. So the next is a term bill matures when its tenures expire. Your bill will get matured whenever the 2 months, whenever 3 months, whenever the time period will get expired. जब bill expire होगा तभी क्या होगा? Bill mature होगा. Now again, you have to calculate the date of maturity, due date. So let's take another example. We are drawing the bill on 1st January 2019 for 3 months. The bill is drawn for 3 months. So after 3 months, the date will be February, March, April. After 3 months, the due date will be 1st April. And in 1st April, you will add 3 more days. So now the due date is, now the date of maturity is 4th April. So 1st April plus 3 days, your due date, your date of maturity is 4th April. So this is another example. Now, let me explain you the meaning of let me explain you the different types of due date. So, the topic is types of due date. There are 2 types of due date. One is nominal, one is legal. Nominal due date, it is calculated without adding the 3 grace days, without adding 3 grace days. So in nominal due date, you will not include the grace days. And in the legal due date, it is calculated after adding 3 grace days. So these are the two types of due date. I hope it is clear to everyone. Nominal due date, it is calculated without adding 3 grace days. And legal due date, it is calculated after adding 3 grace days. Now we will do the most important topic that is related to your practical part. What are the different cases related to the due date? How will you calculate the due date in different cases? We will do the month wala case when the time period is given in the form of month, 2 month, 3 month. We will do the case of days. The bill is drawn for 65 days. The bill is drawn for 56 days. We will do the case of public holiday, and we will also do the case of emergency holiday. So please pay attention now and stay tuned till the end of this session. So the first case is when the period of the bill is given in the form of months. The bill is drawn for months, for 2 months, for 3 months, for 1 month. So, in this case, the maturity date is calculated according to the calendar year. You will calculate the maturity date, the due date according to the calendar year. You will ignore the number of days in a month. You will ignore that how many days are there in a month. And 3 days will be also added. You will always add 3 days of grace. So let's take an example now. The example is the bill is drawn on 4th of May. On 4th of May, the bill is drawn for 6 months. Now, in 4th May, when you will add 6 months, it will be 4th of August. It will be 4th of August after 3 months. Now, in 4th of August, you will add 3 days of grace, and 4 plus 3, it will be 7th of August. This is the due date. So 7th of August is the due date. This is the first case when the period is given in the form of months. Hi Messia, you do not need any private tutor if you are watching our sessions. Our sessions are enough. Manas, the nominal due date, if the question is asking to calculate the nominal due date, then you will calculate it without adding the grace day. Now coming on to the second and the most important and a unique case. When the period of bill is given in the form of days. It is given in the form of days. So now the maturity date, the due date will be calculated in days. And it will exclude the date of transaction. You will not include the day on which the bill is drawn. But it includes the date of payment. You will include the day of payment. 3 days of grace will also be added. You will add 3 days of grace. Now let's solve an example to understand how we will calculate the due date in this case when the period is given in the form of days. So suppose your date of bill is 5th of June. The bill is drawn on 5th of June and it is drawn for 65 days. Now, first of all, you will see that how many days are left in the June. How many days are left in the June? So June is of 30 days, guys. जून का मंथ कितने का होता है? There are 30 days in June. 5th June you are drawing the bill. It means only 25 days are left. So 25 days of June. Then the next month will be July. 31 days of July. 25 days of June, 31 days of July. Now it was drawn for 65 days. The bill is drawn for 65 days, out of which the 56 days have already expired. Now how much days are left? 9 days are left. बचे हैं 9 दिन. Out of 65, 56 had already expired. So remaining days will be of August. So it is 9 days of August. The date is 9th August. The due date is 9th August. In this you will add 3 days of grace. In 9th August we will add 3 days. So the due date will be 11th of August. Sorry, 12th of August. So this is your due date, 12th of August. 25 days of June, 31 days of July, and 9 days of August. And again you will add 3 days of grace. So that is 12th August. Now coming on to the next case, guys. The next case is when the maturity date falls on a national holiday. Suppose you have calculated the due date. आपने due date calculate करी and your due date was 15th of August. Now 15th of August is a national holiday. So what will happen? क्या होगा if the due date is a national holiday? In this case, the maturity day will be one preceding day. If the due date of the bill is on the national holiday, then the maturity day shall be the preceding day. Instead of 15th August, it will become 14th of August. One day before. Yes, Manas. So if it is 2nd October, it will become 1st of October. If it is 26th January, it will become 25th January. So it will be one day before if it is a national holiday. So this was your third case when the maturity date falls on a national holiday. Then what if it is declared as an emergency holiday? The due date of the bill was 2nd August. It is not any national holiday, but it was suddenly declared by government as a emergency holiday. So, if the maturity date has been declared as an emergency holiday, then the due date of the bill shall be the next day after one day. So, suppose your due date was 2nd of August and it is declared as an emergency holiday. So now it will be after one day, it will shift to 3rd of August. अब क्या हो जाएगी? वो 3rd of August हो जाएगी. Okay. So if the due date of the bill is 25th July and it is declared as an emergency holiday, then the due date will be 26th of July. It will be next day. Yes, the 2nd of August is calculated after adding the 3 days. When you have added the 3 days, you got 2nd of August. And 2nd of August is emergency holiday. So now it will become 3rd August. ये 3 days के बाद आई है. So these were your 4 cases of the due date. Are these clear to all of you? ये चारों के चारों केस आपको समझ आए बच्चों? Yes or no? Yes, Anurag. Yes, Balkaran. Makhan clear, Manas. Welcome, Manu. No, I'm not blushing, Aditya. Okay. Now, if you guys are facing any of the problems, like you are having doubts but no one is answering those doubts, or if you have no conceptual clarity, the topics are going in the session but you are not able to understand, or you want to solve more question, you want to do more and more practice, or you are lagging behind in your syllabus, and if you are looking for a revision plan, you want to revise the topics on time, then you are at the right platform in the right hand. But you can join us also at Vedantu Pro if you want to have live classes with us on daily basis. So guys, go and join Vedantu's live and interactive course now to complete your entire syllabus with me. So, in the live and interactive courses, we will be conducting live online classes specially for you with high level quizzes. And we will be completing the entire syllabus on time. We will be providing you assignments. We will be providing you notes after every class. Also, you will be getting flat 10% discount right now. We are providing you flat 10% discount and you can use my code SCPRO for discount. So what are you waiting for? Your term 2 is not going to be as easy as term 1 because term 1 was objective for most of the students, but term 2 is going to be subjective. You have to solve the questions. You have to show the working notes. So if you want to know how to prepare the working notes, how to solve the questions, then go and join our classes right now at flat 10% discount by using my code SCPRO. यस स्तुति, मैं ऑलरेडी आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर 2 बार दे चुकी हूँ बेटा. जो 3 डेज ग्रेस है उसके बाद जो डेट आएगी आप उसी को कंसीडर करोगे. ड्यू डेट हमेशा 3 डेज ऑफ ग्रेस ऐड करने के बाद ही आती है स्तुति. Okay, so now I have some questions for you. It's your test time. And let's see how many of you are able to score good marks. So are you ready for the test time? क्या आप तैयार है? Hello Sanjeev. Ready? Super duper ready. Okay. So here I have the first question. Calculate the due date on bill of exchange. A bill of exchange was drawn on 1st March. The term of the bill was 4 months. The due date will be. Well done, Balkaran. You have answered it in few seconds only. Congratulations, Balkaran. Balkaran, you are first. Well done, Manas. You are second. Well done, Samiksha. You are third. Well done, Kumkum, Random Girl, Stuti, Suruchi, Anurag, Yogita, and Nazia. So, bill is drawn on 1st March for 4 months. After 4 months, the date will be 1st of July. April, May, June, July. In 1st July, you will add 3 days of grace. So it will be 4th of July. So answer was 4th July. And congratulations guys, hats off. You all have answered it correct. Now, coming on to the next question. Let's see who will answer this first of all. So, again you have to calculate the due date and the question is, the bill is drawn on 1st March and the terms of bill was 20 days. The due date of the bill will be Congratulations, Balkaran. Again, you are the first one to answer it correct. Super boy. Congratulations, Suruchi. You were second. Congratulations, Random Girl. You were third. Congratulations, Sanjeev, Manas, Samiksha, Yogita. Well done, everyone. You all have answered it correct. The bill is drawn on 1st March for 20 days. In 1st March, you will add 20 days. It will be 21st March. In 21st March, we will add 3 days of grace. 21 plus 3, it is 24th of March. So the due date is 24th of March. 1st March plus 20 days, 21st March. 21st March plus 3 days of grace, 24th March. So well done everyone, you all have answered it correct. So now tell me, do you have any doubts in this session? अभी तक कोई भी doubt है? No Balkaran, no Pender, no Manas, no Anurag, no Yogita, no Kumkum, na. Okay, so with this we have completed your session, but okay, there is one more question. So, the next question is, a bill of exchange is drawn on 12th of June 2021. The bill is drawn on 12th June and the term of bill was 2 months. What will be the due date? Well done, Manas. Congratulations. You are the first one to answer it correct. Well done, Balkaran. You are second. Well done, Kumkum. Kumkum, you have answered it wrong, beta. It was not 15th. It was 14th August. Well done, Suruchi. You are third. Congratulations. Well done, Aditya, Kumkum, Soumya, Shifna, Nazia, Anurag, Jitendra, Stuti, Upender, Soumya, Kumari. So the bill is drawn on 12th June for 2 months. After 2 months, the date will be 12th of August. In 12th of August, you will add 3 days of grace. So 3 days, when you will add 3 days, it will be 15th of August. Now, 15th of August, it is a public holiday, a national holiday. So, the due date will be 1 day before It will be 14th of August. So here you have answer, and it was 14th of August. Yes, 15th is a national holiday, so it will be 14th. Now, that's it for today. We have completed the due date session. We have completed that how you will calculate the due date in different cases. Now, I hope that you have understood this topic, and now you will be able to calculate the due date in different cases. So let's see your homework now. आज का homework देखते हैं कि आज आपने क्या करना है. So this is your homework. You have to learn what is the tenure of bill, what is the date of maturity, what do we mean by days of grace. And I hope that you all have registered yourself for a scholarship test. So in next class, we will be doing the first type of bill. There are different options of bill. So in the next class, we will be understanding the retainment of bill. So stay tuned for the next class, guys. Retainment of bill. And I hope that you all have registered for Vedantu Mega Scholarship Admission Test. If not, then go and register yourself now. Because if you are registering yourself for the scholarship test, you will be getting the guaranteed scholarship from minimum 15% to 100%. And the grand winners will be getting a chance to win these amazing prizes. You will be able to win the Apple iPad, Kindle, Boat AirDops, Vedantu bag. So if you want to win these amazing prizes, then go and register yourself now. Now you must be thinking that what is the test pattern? So there will be 3 sections, guys. One for accounts, one for business, one for economics. Every section will have 20 questions. So total there will be 60 questions. Every right answer will get 4 marks. Every wrong answer will get -1. And the time will be 90 minutes. You will get 90 minutes to solve it. So what will be the syllabus? The syllabus will be first 40% of class 11. First 40% of accounts, first 40% of business, first 40% of economics. Now what you have to do is you have to log in and register yourself, and the test will be conducted on every Wednesday, tomorrow also at 8 p.m. So go and register yourself now and attempt it tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. So attempt it tomorrow at 8 p.m. And it is only valid till 22nd December. So these are the steps you have to follow to register yourself. Visit our official page of VMSAT. This is the page that you have to visit. This is also given in the description. So you can find out the link in description box also. Then you have to click on register for free. Then enter your required details and click on submit button. So this is how you can register yourself for VMSAT for scholarship test. So if you want to win these amazing prizes, then go and register yourself now. जल्दी से जाइए and अभी register करें. Also, if you want to become a pro in all the subjects, if you want to score good marks in all the subjects, then you can join our live and interactive classes. So in our live and interactive classes, we are providing you some unconditional benefits. You will be getting live interactive classes with high level quizzes. We will be completing the entire syllabus. We will be providing you handwritten notes along with topic-wise assignments. You will be getting all your doubts solved instantly. We will be solving all your doubts instantly. Then, along with all these benefits, we will be conducting tests for you to improve your percentage. At Vedantu, at YouTube, we can't conduct tests. But at Vedantu Pro, we will be conducting tests also. And along with all these benefits, you will be getting thousands of courses for absolutely free. तो आपको बहुत सारे कोर्सेज फ्री भी मिलने वाले हैं, तो अभी जाइए और लीजिए the Vedantu's live and interactive course at flat 10% discount. And don't forget to use my code SCPRO. So go and use my code now to take your courses for term 2, and trust me, these are going to help you a lot in your term 2 preparation. So all the links are provided in the description box below. This is the description box, and here you can see the link CBSE Commerce Term 1, Term 2. When you will click on this link, you will come to our website. So when you come to our website, scroll down. And from here, you can choose your plan, and you can take it at flat 10% discount by using my code. So you can grab your plan from here. So don't forget to check out the link and take it at flat 10% discount. So with this, the session is over, guys. And I hope that all of you have subscribed to our channel. If you have still not subscribed our channel, then go and subscribe it now for more such live and interactive classes. And now I'll see you all in the next class. So till then, bye-bye, good night, and thank you so much everyone for watching this session. And please stay home and stay safe and take care of yourself. Now, bye-bye, and thank you so much. And you're welcome, Kumkum. You're welcome, Samiksha. Bye, guys. We'll see you all in the next class with the retained bit.